Hi, this is Kasim Kulov, and today I will show you how to fix an issue that exists in conical gradients. Select your ellipse tool, draw a circle, and give it a memorable size. I will be using 256. Give its stroke the same value. Change strokes color to gradient. I will be using sky. Change stroke type to align gradient to center. And this is how you get a conical gradient, also known as an angular gradient. The reason why I use the same value for the stroke is because if you make it bigger or smaller, you will see a small circle appearing at the center. That's not what we want. And here it is. If you zoom in, you will see the issue that I am referring to. I tried different methods trying to fix it, one of them being rotation, but it's not helping. So to fix this issue, we will be using the same technique, but we will just change the shape from circle to square. Let's draw a square and give it the same size with the same stroke size as the circles. Change its stroke type. So the effect is exactly the same, only the shape right now is a square. So if you zoom in the center, you will see that the problem that was before in the circle does not exist in the square. So I guess you know where I'm going with this. I will be using a clipping mask to give this square a circular look. It actually doesn't matter what size you will be using for the circle because it will be a clipping mask, but for the sake of this tutorial I will be using a double size 512. Make sure that the circle is located in front and apply a clipping mask. So this was a workaround method to get rid of that strange thing happening in the conical gradient center. Hope you liked this tutorial to fix an issue that I don't think many people know it exists. Thank you.